Hi, and welcome to Max Tech Studios. Today I'm going to show you 5 amazing tech items that you can get for under $10. And some of the items on this list might surprise you. Most computers might have 1 or 2 USB ports, but sometimes that's just not enough. Sometimes you need to plug in multiple things, like say a headset, and then a USB drive, and then a hard drive. And sometimes you just don't have enough ports. But with this 4-port hub from ON, you can just plug it into one and get 4. And for under $10, I think it's a great deal. However, there is one major thing that might be a problem, is that this is only 2.0 USB, not 3.0, meaning that it's going to be a little slower and will lose compatibility for some 3.0 devices. But for under $10, I think it's a great deal. This next item is for cleaning your devices of any fingerprints or smudge. Remember that new iPhone 11 you got just a day ago? Well, the screen might be full of fingerprints a day later. And that fresh new iPad Pro with the cleanest screen ever isn't going to be so clean after a few days of use. Well, with this pack of 100 cleaning wipes from Zeiss, they can clean your screen with the cleaning wipes, clean fingerprints, smudge, or dust. And for $5, you can get 100 of these little things. So it's a great value, and I definitely recommend getting them. I absolutely love using my Apple Watch. However, the included band sometimes just isn't enough. It gets boring after a while, and you might need a new band to make it look a little better and more stylish. However, if you buy them from Apple, they can get very expensive. So I found one for under $10 that looks great and feels amazing. This one is from a brand called Heyday, which is Target's brand for phone accessories and stuff like that. And you can essentially just put it on your Apple Watch. And I think it looks really, really nice. And I really like the navy blue, especially with the space gray Apple Watch, but there are many different colors that this comes in, and for $10, I think it is a great deal. You might own a power bank from a company like Mophie or Anker, and those are great. They charge your devices really fast and have high reliability, but sometimes they can get really, really expensive. So here I have a 10,000 mAh one from a company called Extreme, and it's just $10. It has a USB-C port, a full USB-A, and a micro USB, and it includes a micro USB cable to charge it. And there's an LCD display so that you can read the power that it has left. It does take a little while to show up, but you can press this button right here, and it can tell you how much power is not only on the actual power bank and on the battery, but it can show you what is on your device. Right now, I need to charge it. I'm at 16, but it comes pre-charged right out of the box, so that you can charge everything you have, whether that's a phone or a tablet or whatever. This can do it for you, and it's very good quality, and while it is on the plastic side, it feels very durable. And that's 10,000 mAh for just $10, which is great. So I definitely recommend this for somebody who wants a power bank but doesn't want to spend a whole lot of money on the big brand one. Yes, I actually have a gaming mouse on a video of tech under $10. You might be wondering, is it actually any good? And the short answer is yes. Once plugged in to a PC or Mac, it'll display RGB LED lights, which look really cool. And there is the left and right click, which feels great, a very satisfying scroll wheel, and 2 up and down buttons below the scroll wheel. And on the side, there are 2 buttons, which do feel a little janky, but they're pretty good, and you do get that click, and they feel great. And it is a wired mouse with USB, and it has this really nice red and black braided cable, and a light on the bottom, which is pretty standard. And I really like it, and I like its look, hand. It's great for gaming, it's great for video editing, it's great for just getting work done, and it feels really, really comfortable around your hand. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, along with clicking the notification bell so that you don't miss another video. And until then, I'll see you soon. Bye.